Your name?
My name is Riya Danya.
What is your father name?
My father name is Santosh Kumar.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Chandra.
What is your brother
My
name?
brother name is Atul Dhanwan.
What is your surname?
My son name is Kutta.
What is your teacher
My
name?
teacher name is Jyoti.
What is your school name?
My school name is Fortune IQ.
Which class are you studying?
I am studying in nursery.
How old are you?
4 years.
4 years old.
Huh.
Where did you live in?
Hyderabad,
What is your country name?
India.
Who is the father of the nation?
Gandhi Garu.
National animal?
Tiger.
National bird?
Peacock.
National flower?
Lotus.
National fruit?
Mango.
National vegetable?
Pumpkin.
National language?
Hindi.
National tree?
Banyan tree.
National river? National river? Ganga river.
Ganga river.
National game?
Oki.
National symbol?
4 symbol.
4 lines.
4 lines.
National motto?
Church మీద జైతే
National anthem?
జనమన గణ
National song?
వందే మాతరం.
National capital?
క్యాపిటల్
New.
ఢిల్లీ.
National finance capital?
ముంబై.
National. Who is the Prime Minister of India?
మోడీ గారు.
Who is the Chief Minister of Telangana?
తెలంగాణ. రేవంత్ రెడ్డి.
Who is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh?
జగన్.
How many days in a week?
7 days.
How many months in a year?
1 month.
How many colors in rainbow?
7 colors.
How many directions?
4 directions.
How many seasons? 4
seasons.
పంచభూతాలంటే ఎన్ని?
5 ఉంటాయి.
ఏంటవి ఇవి?
Earth,
Sky,
water,
fire
fire,
and hair.
air.
దీన్ని ఏమంటారు? పంచభూతాలు అంటారు.
పంచభూతాలు అని అంటారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీవన్.